Hello and welcome to this video of my course. In this video I'm going to make a gig description for my gig, and for gig description I would like you to explain that what you are offering and how you are going to complete your work. Always start with an opening greeting by writing welcome note in the beginning. Then you must mention that if the buyer requirements are other than the mentioned packages or offers, then the buyer must contact you before placing any order, as this will help you in further. That if the buyer has ordered something which you are not providing, or if your buyer is asking something else or more than what you offer, then you will need to cancel the order. And if the cancellation occurred from your end, then it will impact very badly on your order completion rate, as the buyer is asking for more or something which is not mentioned in your gig description or packages. Then you can easily ask your support team to cancel the order from buyer's end, and it will not affect it all to your order completion rate. Mention what features your gig will be having, and you must mention them one by one in sequence. Here comes the most important thing. You must use your main keyword in the gig description for at least 2 to 3 times. You can see that I have mentioned my primary keyword YouTube channel growth 3 times, and you also must keep in mind that sometimes system accepts the keyword which has been used 3 times, but sometimes it does not accept, and then we have to break down the keyword by just adding some signs or anything or any type of space in it. Once you have done all, then you can put closing greetings that you will love to answer any question that anyone is going to ask. So our gig description has been completed, and I will see you in the next video.